Hello. So welcome to SUBHEDAR Sir's Academy. ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ और ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮರಿಲಾರ್ದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಓಕೆ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ yesterday we have studied about the definition of a relation, that is a definition of a relation. It is denoted by capital R and it is defined as an ordered pair A comma B such that A is belongs to A and B is belongs to B and A is related to B. This is the definition of a relation where A and B are here two non-empty sets. Okay, and types of relations. Today we'll start with the types of relations. We have three types. First one is reflexive. Second one is symmetric. Third one is transitive. So types of a relation. So that is a reflexive relation, symmetric relation and transitive relation. Then when we are going to say this relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವನ್ MCQ ಒಳಗು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಐತೋ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐತೋ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್, ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ದೀಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬರಬಹುದು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೆ. MCQ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇವನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ reflexive. Okay, a relation R in the set, any set, okay, I will consider A, is said to be reflexive, is said to be reflexive if when we are going to say this relation R is reflexive, if A comma A is belongs to R for every A is belongs to A, for every A is belongs to A. Similarly, symmetric again, a relation R in the set A is said to be symmetric if A comma B is belongs to R, then there should be B comma A also present in the given relation, then that relation is said to be symmetric. And third one, transitive. Again, for transitive, if A comma B is belongs to R, and again one more pair we have to choose that which starts from the second element of the first pair, second element of the first ordered pair, right? So that is I will consider B comma C is belongs to R if in the given relation here we are going to consider two pairs, one is A comma B and another is B comma C, then in the set or in the relation A comma C should be present, then that relation is said to be transitive relation. That relation is said to be transitive relation. These three are very important. Then how it works? Suppose consider if one example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here I will consider on some random example relation that is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Because here Cartesian product is A cross A only. Okay. So R is defined as a 9 ordered pairs with the 9 ordered pairs or 9 elements. Right. So now we have to check whether this relation is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. First definition is, what is the definition of reflexive? A relation R in the set A is said to be reflexive if A comma A is belongs to R. If A comma A is belongs to R, then check it here. For every A is belongs to A. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು, ಎ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಮಿರರ್, ರೈಟ್? ನಮ್ಮ ಇಮೇಜ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ in the A set, here we have 3 elements, right? So one is the mirror image, 1, 1, it is present. Similarly 2, 2 is also present, 3, 3 is also present. Then R is reflexive. ಅಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರ ಆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಿ? ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ reflexive. Given R is reflexive because here we have 3 elements, here we have 3 images, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Similarly for second one, symmetric. What is symmetric here? If A, B is belongs to R, then we have to see whether B, A is also present or not. Reverse pair aithe illa check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here check it. For example, I will consider 1, 2. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದಾ? So 1, 2. Now we have to see if second condition ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ? If 1, 2 is belongs to R, it is given. Okay. Now we have to check whether then there exists the reverse pair. Reverse of this one is 2, 1. Whether it is belongs to or not, we have to check it in the given relation. If it is there, then it is symmetric. Okay. Now here 2, 1 is present. 2, 1 is present. So therefore it is belongs to R. ಬರೇ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಮ್ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ 3, 1. I will remove this 3, 1. Now we have 8 ordered pairs. In this 8 ordered pairs, again consider the same thing. 1, 2 is belongs to R, and also 2, 1 is also belongs to R. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕನಾ? ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸಿಗೂ ನಾವ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಿ. ದೆನ್ it is R is a symmetric relation. So therefore for all A, B is belongs to A here. So therefore again here also, if suppose I am going to consider 1, 3 this time belongs to R, second order pair consider ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Now ಏನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 3, 1 whether it is belongs to R or not. Okay. So check it. Here we have removed that one, right? So therefore 3, 1 does not belongs to R here, right? So 3, 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore now here R is not a symmetric. Now R is not a symmetric. I hope clear it is. Okay. So ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರದ್ದು ಅದರ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಿ? ಸಿಮ್ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಿ. Okay. Now I will write again. That is 3, 1. Okay. It means now 3, 1 is also belongs to R. So therefore now R is also symmetric relation. So R is a symmetric relation. Now we have to check a third one. Okay. Write on this one. See here, in the transitive property, we have to consider two order pairs. Here we have to consider two order pairs. I will consider your first one is third one transitive property. So if I will consider 1 comma 2 is belongs to R in the given relation only. Okay. Next we have to choose the second order pair which starts from 2 only, because here in the first order ends with the 2. So we have to select in this relation, in this order pairs, we have to select which starts from 2. Remember that one. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Out of these 3, you have to select any one. So I will consider here 2 comma 3 is belongs to R. Now see the definition. If A comma B is belongs to R, B comma C is belongs to R, then A comma C is also belongs to R. What is A comma C here? In place of A we have 1, and in place of B we have, in place of C, here we have to see C, 3. So 1 comma 3 is belongs to R or not, we have to check. See here, 1 comma 3 is belongs to R. So therefore now it is transitive. Any order pair, consider any order pair. If suppose I will consider 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2 is belongs to R. Again we have to check in this 3 only. So again second order pair I will consider 2 comma 3, because which starts from 2 only, which is also belongs to R only. Then in place of A we have 3, in place of C we have again 3. So 3 comma 3, whether it is belongs to R or not, yes it is belongs to R. So therefore 3 comma 3 is also belongs to R. So therefore here we conclude that the given relation R is transitive. The given relation R is therefore R is transitive relation. See here, note a relation which satisfy all these three relations. One is that is a reflexive, symmetric and transitive, which satisfy all these three relations: reflexive relation, symmetric relation and transitive relation. Then that relation is called equivalence relation. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ equivalence relation ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ equivalence relation. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಿ? ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ? ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ equivalence ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಏನು? ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಒಂದ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ equivalence relation. ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, equivalence relation ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್. Okay, yes, now we'll consider one example here. Determine whether the following relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Here we have to determine, we have to check whether the given relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive or not. Okay, so here given relation is a relation R in the set A is given by 1 2 3 4 so on up to 14, and the relation is defined as an ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. 3 marks question. Okay, so now here consider what is given. Consider A is equal to, A is given, right? So that is 1 2 3 so on up to 14, and R is defined as an ordered pair x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. Right? Here the relation is 3x minus y. 3x minus y is equal to 0 is a relation. Now we have to check whether this relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay, first we consider 3x minus y is equal to 0. This relation can also be written as y is equal to 3x. Here what is x? As we before only defined that what is domain, input element is x, output element is y. So 1, 2, 3, so on up to 14 are input elements. Again we have to get the elements of y in this only. Remember one thing, here we have only one set, that is a. Okay, yada number bantandru nage a olaginda barabeku. Okay, now put x equal to 1. Here put x equal to 1. What we are going to get? Y equal to 3 into 1, that is 3. Similarly put x equal to 2. Y is equal to 3 into 2. In place of x we are going to substitute 2. So 3 2s are 6. Whether 3 is belongs to this set? Yes, it is belongs to this set. 6 is also belongs to this set? Yes. Similarly put x equal to 3. X equal to 3. Then y is equal to 9. That is 3 3s are 9. 9 is also belongs to the set A. What about put x equal to 5? Put x equal to 4. We get y equal to 3 4s are 12. Right? It is also belongs to the given set. Put x equal to 5. Then y is equal to 3 5s are 15. That is not belongs to, does not belongs to A, because in the set A we have up to 14. So 1 2 3 so on up to 14. But here we have the element 15. So it is does not belongs to A set. So now stop it. Now we will consider the ordered pairs of relation. First here we are going to construct the ordered pairs of the relation, because it is an equation, right? So what are the ordered pairs? When x equal to, in place of x we have 1. When x equal to 1, y value is 3. Similarly when x equal to 2, y value is 6. When x equal to 3, y value is 9. When x equal to 4, y value is 12. These 4 are only satisfied, because if suppose you are going to substitute if x equal to 6, then we are going to get 18, y equal to 18. So therefore 18 does not belongs to the given set. Sorry. Okay. So now stop it here. We have 4 ordered pairs. Now we will check reflexive. First condition, reflexive. What is the definition of reflexive? A comma A is belongs to R for every A is belongs to the set A. In the set A we have total 14 elements, right? 14 elements ಇದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು? ಮಿರರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 so on up to 14, 14. ಅವು 14 ಇರೋದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಿರರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಹೌದಾ? 1, 1 ಐತಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ 1, 1 does not belongs to R, so therefore R is not a reflexive. R is not a reflexive. Similarly, ಉಳಿಕಿದ್ದು ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ, ಒಂದು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 2, 2 ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಅದಿತ್ತಂತಲ್ಲ, 14 ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ 14 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಮಿರರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ 1, 1 does not belongs to R. Straight away write down R is not a reflexive. What about second one? If suppose symmetric, right? Symmetric relation. What is the condition for that one? If suppose A comma B is belongs to R, then what we have? B comma A is also belongs to R. Then only it is called a symmetric. First I am recalling you definition. Okay. Now I will consider here if any ordered pairs, any these 4 ordered pairs, any one. So I will consider 3, 9. 3, 9 is belongs to R. Yes, it is belongs to R. What about reverse? What about reverse? 9, 3. Whether it is belongs to R? No. So it does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not a symmetric, right? So therefore R is not symmetric. ಅರ್ಥದಾ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Transitive relation. What is the definition of transitive relation? If A comma B is belongs to R, second order pair, that is B comma C is belongs to R, then A comma C is also belongs to R, then only it is said to be, R is said to be transitive, right? So first I will consider here any ordered pair. So I will consider 1 comma 3. So if 1 comma 3 is belongs to R. Next what we have to do? The order pair which starts from 3, that only we have to choose. Okay, here we have only one pair, that is 3 comma 9. So I will consider 3 comma 9. ಬೇರೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬೇರೆದೇನು ತಗೋತೀರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೋಂಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಇರೋದ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3 comma 9, ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. These two both are in the relation R, both are belongs to R. So then exist ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? In place of A we have 1, in place of C we have 9. So therefore whether it is belongs to R, 1 comma 9 is there? No, so it does not belongs to R. So again here the condition failed. So therefore R is not a transitive. R is not a transitive. Like this, here we are going to check whether the given relation R is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Okay, note it down. Okay, ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ MCQ, fill in the blanks ಬರ್ಬೋದು, and also 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವೈಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ MCQs ಫಾರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು MCQ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೈಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, here given one example here. Let A be the set of first 10 natural numbers and R be the relation on A, and it is defined by an ordered pair x comma y which is belongs to the relation R, and the relation is given that x plus 2y is equal to 10. Here we have to find what we have to find, then the domain of R, right? So here option A is 1 2 3 so on up to 10, because here we have first 10 natural numbers. First 10 natural numbers have 1 2 3 so on up to 10. Option B 2 4 6 8. Option C 1 2 3 4, and D 2 4 6 8. First we have to construct a relation R which satisfy this relation. Okay, we have to construct a ordered pairs, we have to create ordered pairs of R. So solution, here R is defined as an ordered pair x comma y such that x plus 2y is equal to 10, right? It is given. First we have to construct the ordered pairs of x and y. Okay, ordered pair x comma y. Suppose here I will consider x plus 2y is equal to 10. This relation can also be written as 2y is equal to 10 minus x, right? Here put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. What we get? 2y is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. Then y is equal to 9 by 2. Does not belongs to natural number. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 1 to 10 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ 10 ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ this can also be written as a directly. Here 2y is equal to 10 minus x, then y is equal to 10 minus x divided by 2. ನಾವು put x equal to 2 even number substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಬರಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರಬಹುದು ಹೌದಾ ಸೊ therefore put x equal to 2 put x equal to 2 here what we get 10 minus 2 10 minus 2 8 8 by 2 is 4 put x equal to 4 because only one numbers I am going to consider so y is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6 6 by 2 is 3 right put x equal to 6 then y is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4 4 by 2 is 4 by 2 is 2 put x equal to 8 then y is equal to 10 minus 8 2 2 by 2 1 put x equal to 10 because 10 is also in the natural number first 10 natural numbers right so y is equal to 10 minus 10 is 0 y is equal to 0 but 0 does not belongs to the given set that is a set of 10 natural numbers right here given set a is equal to 1 2 3 so on up to 10 so which is does not belongs to a now what are the order pairs of r now what are the order pairs of r now 2 comma 4 second one is 4 comma 3 third pair 6 comma 2 and 8 comma 1 but question ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ domain of r ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ what are the domains what is domain in the ordered pair first element goes to domain set first element ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು domain element ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ so what are the first elements here 2 4 6 and 8 2 4 6 8 so that is a domain of r is equal to 2 4 6 8 then what is the option so option b is a correct answer option b is a correct answer any doubt write down okay now again I am going to consider the same example only let a be the set of first 10 natural numbers and again r is also same it is defined as x comma y is belongs to r and x plus 2y is equal to 10 then the range is this time range again the same procedure only okay put x equal to even number only okay here I will consider first x plus 2y is equal to 10 then 2y is equal to 10 minus x then y is equal to 10 minus x divided by 2 right directly so put x equal to 2 y equal to 10 minus 2 is 8 by 2 4 put x equal to 4 y is equal to 3 put x equal to 6 y is equal to 2 put x equal to 8 y is equal to 1 and put x equal to 10 y is equal to 0 which is does not belongs to a set right so what are the order pairs of r now what are the order pairs of r now that is 2 comma 4 4 comma 3 6 comma 2 and 8 comma 1 these four pairs are the order pairs of the given relation r which satisfy this equation that is x plus 2y is equal to 10 then what is the range what is range second element of the ordered pair all the ordered pairs of second elements are the range of the given relation right remember ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆನಾ order pair second element ಏನಿರ್ತತಿ range ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತತಿ so therefore range is ಯಾವುದು 4 3 2 1 then what is the option here we have 1 2 3 4 right so option C is the correct answer write down okay ಇನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ನಾವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್, ಮೂರು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಕ್ವಿವೆಲೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಅವನ್ ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.